Hi! You're on the home cooking channel. Everything here is simple, delicious, and home style. Which recipe will you try first? Please let me know in the comments, and I'll bring you even more homemade ideas. Thanks for watching.